For over a century, Diamond Vogel has protected what matters. From Midwest roots to advanced coating technologies, trust has been earned through performance. Every gallon reflects decades of expertise and a commitment to quality. Everywhere you look, Diamond Vogel coatings are there. On the roads you drive, on the tractors that plant your food, on the equipment that builds your world, on the trailers hauling goods across the country, in healthcare facilities, on store shelving, on office furniture, inside or out. Everywhere you look, our coatings protect what matters. Our coatings serve every industry, from agriculture to construction, commercial vehicles to specialty manufacturing. Where durability and performance matter, Diamond Vogel delivers solutions built for tough conditions. We deliver more than coatings. We deliver speed, reliability, and expertise. Fast delivery through Midwest service centers. Technical support from experts who know your line. Coatings engineered for OEM toughness, tested to rigorous standards. One source for color control, formulation consistency, and supply chain assurance. When you need coatings that perform and a partner who stands behind them, you can count on Diamond Vogel. Diamond Vogel, rooted in the Midwest, trusted everywhere you look.